guys, and welcome back to the channel. How are you? How have you been? Well, today we are going to make a delicious recipe, which is my maple cinnamon cupcakes. They are healthy, low in sugar, super delicious, easy. You don't need literally anything to make them. And without further ado, let's go and make them. First, preheat your oven to 180°, and then line your cupcake pans. And here I have 1 egg. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of just regular oil. And then to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or molasses or agave syrup or literally any syrup that you want. It doesn't matter. You can use honey if you don't have anything in hand. Actually, to be honest with you, I don't have maple syrup. I would never have maple syrup where I live. It's like super expensive, gold price expensive. And so I'm just using some grape syrup, grape molasses. It's practically look the same, taste the same. It's practically the same, so you can use any type of syrup that you like, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of that. It also gives it a very nice and beautiful color. It's very golden and it works something like molasses because it's actually grape molasses. Okay, now mix all of your wet ingredients until they are just incorporated. Then just about a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar, coconut sugar, and mix that well. And then for the dry ingredients, here I have 1 cup of regular flour. Again, you can use oat flour, gluten-free flour, or other types of flour. These recipes are so versatile that you can use and substitute any type of ingredient you like. And if you want to know more about what to substitute, what to do, what to make, I have a playlist here about cooking tips with Sadaf, and you can check that out. And I talk about all the good cooking tips, how to substitute, for example, sourdough for milk and yogurt, and don't forget to check that out right here. After you have sifted your flour, here I have around 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a dash of salt, and some vanilla extract. I'm going to sift that well. And to that, I'm going to add around 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And for the secret ingredient, just a dash of allspice. It gives it a really nice kick. That's enough. And now we're going to mix everything. And I definitely had to choose a bigger bowl. After your batter is something like this, it's gonna be thick, but it's okay. Then grab it and put it in your cupcake tins. You can use ice cream scooper, but as always, I don't have one. So just a spoon, it works the same. After you have poured them into your cupcake tins, bake them for about 15 minutes at 186. Alright, our cupcakes are fresh out of the oven. Look how beautiful they are. They are golden brown, so good with the hint of cinnamon and just the enough sweetness. It's just perfect and it was super easy. I would like to make it before Christmas, but I think it's just suitable for any time of the year, especially when it's cold weather and just want something that's so heartwarming for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, I would love it if you consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. And also don't forget that put in the comment what other recipes would you like me to make. And don't forget to check out my Instagram page right here and my shorts tab right here, which I post a lot of different things and quick recipes there too. And before you move to another video, I have prepared a video for you just here, which is my puff pastry cinnamon roll, another very easy dessert that is ready like on 5 minutes, and you can watch more of my playlist here. And until then, I will see you in another video. Bye!